Russia sending missiles to occupied Skadovsk under guise of humanitarian aid. The General Staff of Ukraine suggests that under the guise of a humanitarian convoy that is supposed to arrive from Russia to the temporarily occupied Skadovsk in the Kherson region, Russians may deliver missiles for congratulatory shelling of the Ukrainian-controlled Kherson region. Andriy Kovalev, spokesman for the General Staff of the Armed Forces of Ukraine, said this. A humanitarian convoy from the Russian Federation is expected to arrive in occupied Skadovsk in the Kherson region for needy citizens. However, it is likely that the occupants are delivering rocket and artillery ammunition under the guise of humanitarian cargo, noted the spokesman. Kovalev explained that among the Russian occupants and collaborators in Skadovsk, they are discussing the preparation of congratulations for the Ukrainian-controlled territories of the Kherson region. Russians are conducting massive raids to find local residents cooperating with the Ukrainian Defense Forces in the temporarily occupied Skadovsk district. They check personal documents and mobile devices. In this way, Russians are trying to intimidate the local population and identify those who are helping the Ukrainian Defense Forces.